Okay. Ay, shush. Itong batang ito kawawa, guys, kasi
Sa Mommy and Mommy.
yan nga, mommy and daddy
Mommy.
both working today.
Kasi ba on?
Yeah, okay, mama will put it on. Can you hold the camera quickly? Hold it like that, okay? Hold it with 2 hands.
Monkey?
You're a monkey?
Yes.
What's the sound of the monkey, nak?
On the climate tree like a monkey. On the climate tree like a monkey, Mommy.
Yeah, climb a tree like a monkey then.
My please help me. Help me, Mommy.
Help me, Mandel, come. Hello, here, look here. Look here. Who's this?
Birds.
Are you beautiful?
Yes.
Ay, she is very humble, eh. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday, everyone. Today is the 18th of December and it's very exciting day for me because it's my last working day of the year. Last working day of 2020, guys, and I'm super pumped kasi alam niyo yun yung feeling na next week wala akong trabaho, hindi ako gigising ng maaga for work, I can sleep in. So yeah, the holiday starts tomorrow, guys. So I'm not going back to work until I think 8th of January ata. So we have at least 3 weeks off. And yeah, the only downside about it is that I really hope na makakauwi ako ng Pinas. Kasi ito talaga yung time na inuuwi ko ng Pinas, guys. Kasi shutdown yung company. And yun, may time ako. Pero unfortunately, we can't do that at the moment, guys. So we'll just enjoy it at home and probably, you know, catch up with some of our friends. Anyways, it's currently 11 in the morning and nakabihis si atin you guys kasi I have lunch with my boss again today and with another client. So last week, was it last week or 2 weeks ago? So I had lunch with a different company, but today it's another company. And yeah, so that's why I'm ready now kasi yung lunch is 11:30, super early, I know. I'm just gonna show you quickly my outfit, guys. So ayan, so nag-shirt lang tayo ng black. Ayan. And then we've got these jeans like that, and then I just paired it with this. It's very casual lang naman, guys. We're just going to like casual restaurant, hindi talaga yung formal na formal. And also my guys, buhok ginanyan ko na lang, parang char parang messy bun ganyan sa likuran kasi wala na akong time na mag-ayos, alam niyo yung mag-curl and anything kasi I've been working this morning as well. So ayan, so yan lang yung outfit natin, and then we're just going to pair with this bag here like that. So that's it. Yan yung ating outfit outside. It's looking gloomy today. It's been raining this morning, but yeah, hindi na siya umuulan pero still makulimlim pa rin siya sa labas. But yeah, that's about it. And also I couldn't find my other lipsticks. So you might notice na parang super nude yung aking lipstick kasi yun yung lipstick na nakita ko dito sa ating bag. So that's okay. That's fine. Kakain din naman tayo ng lunch, mawawala din yung lipstick. So that's it. And Daddy Mike and Paris is going to stay here. Paris is at home today kasi Fridays walang childcare. So Daddy Mike muna yung mag-aalaga sa kanya. But yeah, from tomorrow and then first week of January, si Daddy Mike ay mag-work pa naman. Wala siyang off. Anyways, guys, see you soon. Morning!
Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Very messy, my face. Kisa si Mami B. Ala, don't spray the camera, nak, with that one. You be good for Daddy, okay? Okay?
Okay.
I love you very much. Ala, ayaw lagi, nak. Kiss Mami. o'clock and kakauwi ko lang. And oh my God, it is very windy. Sobrang maginaw. Hindi pa naman ako nagdala ng jacket kasi indoors naman kami sa restaurant. So, we'll see kung anong ginagawa ng ating baby girl ngayon. Ayan siya guys, nakabihis na. It's actually 2 p.m. na pala guys, so I've been away for 3 hours. Hi! Hi! How are you, my love? How are you? Did you miss mommy? Who put that on your head?
Paris.
Paris! Paris! Kiss it louder. Shush, I'm going because it's cold. Because it's cold. Shush! Ayan guys, it's now 5:30 ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Oh my God. Last working day of the year. I can't believe it. Ayan, at ang ating baby girl ay gustong mag-bike-bike. Oh. Okay. Alright, you open it. Sobrang busy sa work guys and I really can't believe na last day na kasi sobrang marami pa talaga ang dapat gawin. Pero yung kumpanya namin, we're running skeleton staff. So meron pa rin mga colleagues namin na mag-work through the entire Christmas, New Year, ganun. So mag-work pa rin sila. Although, yes, honey. So I don't know how they're going to handle it guys kasi sobrang daming dapat kong gawin. But yes, opening now. Put your helmet first. But yun na nga, but off na. So I even think about maybe I need to open my laptop sometime next week just to check yung mga naiwan ko na hindi pa na-close talaga. Here's your helmet, anak. Here's the helmet. Kasi hindi ako mapakali guys. Ganyan talaga ako, like I care for my work so much and ayaw kong basta-basta iwan lang ba. Okay, we'll put it on. Okay.
Seatbelt.
That's helmet. It's not seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Say hi, Tita.
Seatbelt, mommy.
What are you doing now?
Seatbelt.
What are you doing now?
Seatbelt.
Put the helmet on?
Seatbelt.
A seatbelt. Okay. And then you're gonna ride your bike?
Okay.
Ay, shush. Itong batang ito kawawa guys kasi
It's a hammy on, mommy.
yan nga, mommy and daddy
Mommy.
both working
Mommy.
today.
Put seatbelt on.
Yeah, okay, mama will put it on. Can you hold the camera quickly? Hold it like that, okay? Hold it with 2 hands. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay, there we go.
Put the seatbelt on, mommy.
Mama will put that. So, ayan na siya guys. Hang on, show sa mama quickly, B. Ito pala yung tinatawag niyang seatbelt guys, yung dito sa kanyang chin, malapit sa chin. Okay, Paris gonna ride a bike. And you know what guys, kung sinong nagbigay ng bike na to, so as you can see, may mga rust na siya, pero it's still, you know, in excellent working order. Ang aking mabait na boss, sobrang bait talaga ng boss ko sa akin guys. Sa kanyang anak to, and then lumaki na yung kanyang anak, so hindi na nila ginagamit, so naisip na naibigay kay Paris. And Paris is loving it, as you can see. Okay, push! Wow! Ah, siksiha sa nag-bike, oh! Wait, whew! Wait, whew! Where are you going?
Yeah.
Okay. Dito gusto niya guys, oh. Kasi parang, ano tawag yung slope ba? Ganyan. So, slide ang kanyang bike. Ay, shush! May pa, bing-bing pa. Come on! Yeah, over here. Ambitin mo pa rin siya. Mama will check the mailbox. Come on, anak. Okay, it's okay. You ride.
Mommy, go over here.
Go ride. Alam niyo guys, maginaw today. It's only 17 degrees today kahit nakalabas si Haring Araw. Kaya naka-jacket si Paris kahit na kitang-kitang kanyang legs. Naka-skirt. Skirt ka na? You hold.
Over here, Mama.
Okay, okay.
Over here.
Okay. Look where you're going. Lulu. Lulu. Ooh. Where's this place? Go. Let's go there.
Ow.
Come.
No.
It's so hard. Mama will help you. Here you go. Drive. Sobrang ganda talaga ng bike na to, guys. Kahit na may mga ano na siya, mga kalawang-kalawang na siya. Careful. Uy, uy. Ay, bangga yan sa Canon. Okay, makabayad kita, anak. Okay. Good girl. And si Paris, siya lang pala yung nagsuot ng shoes niya. Big girl na jud ka, anak. Wow! Good job!
On the right to bike on the park.
Where are you going?
On the going park on my bike.
Huh?
Come on, me on the going park.
I don't know if we can ride it there.
I don't know, let's get it.
Nak, we can't ride the bike there, nak. Wala sila siminto. Okay, wait for mommy. Shh. Wait for mommy. Paris, Nicole? Kabadlong ka, ha? Here. I thought you wanna ride it, nak. Do you wanna ride the bike? Ayan. Dito siya pumunta, oh. Sa park. Where are you going, anak? You can't ride the bike there, anak. You have to do it here. Oh, see? You can't. It's very hard. Dali na ka ba sa simento? Di rin kagpatuon, nak. Maybe?
Mommy, help me.
Help me, Kara. I told you it's very hard. Dili man gud diri makuan imong bike. Oh, di man na madagan diri. Wala. Yeah, I don't think so, anak. See? Lisod lagi na.
Mommy, it's a good hurt.
It's very hard.
I miss a go. It's too hard, Mommy.
What do you want to do now? Do you want to swing? Careful, anak.
On the corner tree, I might be running on the tree.
What is it? You have to start here, Baba. Lala, galisod-lisod good, oh. Careful when you stand up. Bukulan jud ka, nak.
My finger hurting.
Your finger's hurting. Be, show mommy.
On the corner tree. On the corner tree, like a monkey.
Nak, basta unsa lagi mo kay duman, nak. Careful. May unggoy, oh. Kat-kat.
Mommy, how is it like a monkey, Mommy? Is it like a monkey?
You're a monkey?
Yes.
What's the sound of the monkey, nak?
On the climate tree like a monkey. On the climate tree like a monkey, Mommy.
Yeah. Climb a tree like a monkey, then.
My please help me. Help me, Mommy.
Help me, Mandian. Come. You can do it. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 6:20 ng gabi and nakapasok na kami dito sa loob ng bahay. Obviously, umuwi na kami kasi si baby girl natin ay nadapa. So, ang kanyang tuhod ay may gas-gas. Nagdrama na naman siya. Kaya umuwi na lang kami. And then, si Daddy Mike pala ay nandito sa bed. O, nag-relax-relax. So, dito muna kami, guys. Mamaya na kami mag-ready ng aming dinner and all. Mag-relax-relax muna kami, guys. It's been... I know it's last day sa work, no? Pero, sobrang, ewan ko guys, sobrang, yung utak ko ay parang nasa trabaho pa rin ba? Kasi alam ko ang dami pa rin kailangan gawin. Kaya relax muna tayo guys, ha? Dito muna kami. Say hello sa anak, B. Shh! Hello sa ba? Paris na ko! Say hello sa Hello?
Hello.
Hello, here. Look here. Look here. Who's this?
Paris.
Are you beautiful?
Yes.
Ay, she's very humble, eh. Tell me what you've got.
Name, Mommy.
What is that?
Pinindi.
Oh, pinindi.
Name.
Be, show here, be. As nag-crave ako ng fish head, ano daw? What is it na?
Let's cook.
Ako! Ayan, nag-crave ako ng soup, guys, kaya...
Name, Mommy.
Ayan.
Name, Mommy.
Nag-order kami online.
Mommy.
Okay, Mama will open it. Just wait a minute. Okay, help Mama here. What's in there? Ayan. My favorite. Oh, fish head noodle soup. Okay, give us the money. Okay, this is it. Oh no, that's chicken. That's Daddy's. That's Mama's. Yay! Ayan, guys. So this is the chicken.
Mommy.
Fish head yan, guys. So, ulo ng fish. So, may mga buto-buto. Oh, it's my favorite. You've got roti as well. And then this is the chicken noodle. Ayan. So, bon appetit, guys. Kain muna tayo. Guys, pulupig ka, Daddy, ah.